Hello, SEO professionals, and welcome back again to my channel. So, I have brought you a brand new course on Google Analytics. So, this is going to be a from basic to advanced level Google Analytics course. So, if you're a website owner or SEO professional, you may already be using Google Analytics, but you may not know the ways a Google Analytics tool can be used effectively to generate more revenue, more conversion, and of course, increase the organic traffic to your website. So this is going to be a step-by-step uh, process or course, and in which I will teach you the Google Analytics from basic to advanced level. Exactly, this is how we use Google Analytics at our SEO agency, or this is how we set up the Google Analytics for our SEO clients as well. So before we get started, make sure you subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon so that you get notified instantly for every new tutorial of this basic to advanced level Google Analytics course. So now let's get started without further ado. Alright guys, so the first question you may have in mind is that what is Google Analytics? So like I said, you may already know about this, but if you don't know, Google Analytics is basically a free tool provided by Google, right? So Google Analytics provide you a short piece of code which you place on your website. And after that, this free tool is going to track all the data on your website. So for example, using Google Analytics on your website, you will be able to see how much traffic does your website get, where do they come from, what do they do on your website, and which pages of your website do they visit on your website. So it is pretty fantastic tool, and the best part is that it is free. And if you are an SEO professional, then of course this is a must tool for SEO professionals, right? So now, since this is an introductory tutorial of the Google Analytics course, so in today's tutorial we will basically discuss some benefits of Google Analytics which a website owner or SEO professional may get using Google Analytics. So let's have a quick look at some of the benefits you can get from Google Analytics. All right, guys. So now let's talk about some of the great benefits that website owners can get from using Google Analytics. So the first one is it helps you understand your website's traffic. With Google Analytics, you can see how many people are visiting your site, where they are coming from, and what pages they are viewing. This can help you identify trends and patterns in your traffic and make informed decisions about how to improve your website performance. So, like I said, it gets more importance whenever you think about SEO, right? So the second benefit you can get is to it helps you improve search engine ranking of your website. How? By understanding how users interact with your website, you can identify and fix any issues that might be hindering your search engine ranking. So, for example, if you have a high bounce rate, meaning that users are leaving your site after only viewing one page, this could be a sign that your content is not relevant or engaging to your audience, right? So the third one is it helps you increase the conversions or the leads, right? So basically conversions varies from business to business, right? For some businesses, a conversion might be simply completing a web form or watching a webinar, and for some businesses, a conversion might be actually completing a purchase like on an e-commerce store. So by tracking your website's goals and conversions, you can see how well your website is achieving your business objectives. This can help you identify areas for improvement and optimize your website to increase the conversions. So the last but not the least one, it helps you enhance the user experience. Because Google Analytics can help you understand your users' behavior and preferences, which can inform your decisions about how to improve their experience on your website. So, for example, you might discover that a large percentage of your users are accessing your site on mobile devices, which could influence your design and content choices. Which means that if you notice that most and more people are accessing your website through mobile, then it is must that you should optimize or make your website responsive on mobile devices. So there is a number of ways Google Analytics can help you. So these were some of the big benefits which every website owner, every blogger, or any SEO professional can get from, right? So these were some benefits which you may get as a website owner or an SEO professional if you use Google Analytics. But like I said, that you may already know about Google Analytics, or even you may be already using the Google Analytics. But in this course, I am going to teach you some great ways which you can leverage the Google Analytics and to increase the profitability and revenue of your business or your SEO efforts. So I hope this has been a super helpful tutorial. In the next tutorial, I am going to teach you how to create a Google account, how to create a Google Analytics account, and most importantly, how easily you can install the Google Analytics code on your website. Not only this, I will also shed a light on the differences between the Google Universal Analytics property and the new Google Analytics Pro property. So you may already know that the Google Universal Analytics property is now obsolete, right? And now you have to use the Google Analytics for property, which is a new and enhanced, version of Google. So I hope this has been a super helpful tutorial. Once again, make sure to check out the descriptions down below to download some free resources being offered by our SEO agency. So I will see you in the next one, and thanks for watching.